Thank you so much for your love and support. And once again, we are back with another quick guide regarding. So today we'll discuss about the modes of the Vim. There are four modes of Vim. First is normal mode, normal. Second, insert. Third, visual. Fourth one is command line. So whenever you type VI or any file name, here you are in normal mode. So here you can just navigate. You cannot type. First, I'm telling you this because sometime you are in normal mode and in examination you try to write something and that will messed up most. And you don't try to type in normal mode. You just come to insert mode for that. So normal mode. Normal mode is basically for just like line delete navigation, just navigation of the line. You can double D. You can just press that. So we can do many things in normal mode. We'll learn in next couple of video. So this is just basic simple intro of modes, and one good and very important thing at the end of video. So and second is insert mode. When you press I, then you are flexible to write something. So you can write something and you can do something with it. Okay, or means basically in write you can perform many operations also, like append, open a new line below, insert in the beginning, or anything. Means it's kind of interactive edit. Means you can say it like okay. And third mode is visual. So from every mode you have to go with the, you have to press escape and you will go to the normal. So for normal mode you have to press I to come into the insert mode. From normal mode you have to press V to come to the this visual mode and press escape to the normal. So I am in normal mode, sorry, I am in the insert mode. You will find this more information here. If nothing is written, that is the normal mode. So insert is there, just press escape. So you are in the normal. And now I will press V. So you will see here a visual. So it is the visual mode. Here you can just look, this things is select. When I copy, means press Y to copy and P to paste. It's like a yank and paste. In VI, it's a yank and paste. Y for yank and P for put. Yank and put. So I press escape and I am in normal mode. So from visual to normal, you can press skip, and just from normal mode and you can press colon. So you can enter into the command line. So here, this is also a very good mode for the fast do the thing or something which is always required, because here you can save, write and quit and help. Like just I want to see the line number, I'll write set and you. So you will find line number. And if I don't want line number, so just I will dig little detail in all this tech. Enable you with the modes of Vim. So there are four modes. Normal, so you cannot do much, but you can always navigate and navigate fast. Okay, in means you can navigate with the character, word, line. Okay, and second is you can press I and you are in the insert. So you can edit, and then from insert you have to go to the normal mode. So for normal mode you have to press escape. From normal mode, when I press V, then I come to visual mode, and here I can copy paste a bulk of code, bulk of lines, and select bulk of line, delete bulk of line, copy paste bulk line. Okay, so here once again I press escape. So from anywhere you first come to the normal mode and then you have to go anywhere. And after, if press colon, then come to the command line mode and then press escape again to normal. This is very much important. Please make sure which mode you are in before doing some, so your trouble will be less. And one more, we are most of the buddies are Windows users, so we always press this thing will appear in your, if this type of thing is appear in your that one thing like that, so don't worry, just write FG. Okay, and you are there, and then you just Q or W, whatever is, because I don't want to play with that controller manager file. So this is it. So thank you so much for your love and support. This is a very short video, and we'll come up with some navigation and editing tips for Vim. Few select which I use to make my thing faster. Thank you so much for your love and support. Stay tuned.